loves, it's Sheena and I'm back with another video. So on today's video, I will be sharing with you ladies what I got from Amazon this month. So this will be like a mini Amazon beauty haul and I'm so excited to share with you ladies. So before we get started, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll never miss a video from me. Really appreciate everyone who has subscribed to my channel so far. Thank you so much. Also, if you have joined my beauty group, thank you so much for joining. If you're interested in joining my beauty group, I'll make sure that I leave the link in the description box below. That way you can be a part of the beauty community. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing that I got from Amazon, and again, I'll make sure that I leave a link to all the products below. So don't worry, I'll make sure I leave a link to everything that I got here. So the first thing that I wanted to show y'all is this AmLactin. This is AmLactin. This is alpha hydroxytherapy moisturizing body lotion. This is like really good lotion for exfoliation. Okay, this is gonna make your skin look so, it's gonna make your skin be soft and just look so much radiant because you're exfoliating all of the dead skin from the top layer, and it just leaves you with softer, brighter, smoother skin. Okay, a lot of ladies swear by this lotion, and so I had to try it. Okay, I'm trying to get it to focus. So I had to try this lotion. Okay, a lot of ladies who do skin lightening, they use this lotion to exfoliate with. I'm not lightening my skin or anything like that, but I do want softer, younger looking skin, and that's gonna really help. Okay, the next thing that I got, I cannot pronounce the name of this. I think it's pronounced I don't know. I'm not even gonna try, y'all. Okay, this is a menstruation cup. So I had it upside down. No, it wasn't. Okay, here you go. So this is a menstruation cup. This is, and this says is you can wear it up to 12 hours. You ladies may or may not know about the harmful chemicals that they put inside pads and tampons, and it's just not really good for your vagina. Okay, so if you can get like a cup, it doesn't have to be this brand, but just a menstrual cup, it's really gonna help. You know, it's gonna, of course, it's not made of any toxic materials, so it's not gonna be harmful to your body. They say with the cup, like you can have it in, and you can like pretty much forget about it until it's time to be changed. It says you could change it, just change it every 12 hours. So this is the large cup, and you can change it every 12 hours. And so, you know, you put it in, and then 12 hours, for 12 hours, you don't have to worry about like keep changing, like you have to keep changing pads or tampons. You don't have to worry about that when you use the cup. Okay, so this was why I really want it. It's very discreet. Some people even say that they can actually have sex while using this cup. I don't know about all of that, but I do know that this is really good with, like, if you don't want to, like, you don't want all those harmful chemicals from the pads and tampons, and you know, you want something that's like really like convenient, and it's gonna, you don't have to worry about changing it every time you go to the bathroom. Okay, so that was this. I got this. I picked this up. The next thing that I got, and I'll be doing a separate video on this because I really want to talk about the benefits of this product. This is the Detox Organic Green Enema. Okay, this is like a cleanse. Okay, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna do a whole video on this because it's a lot that needs to be said about this. Okay, and of course I want to try it first and give y'all my thoughts. But it's organic green enema coffee, And I also bought this to go with it. And this is, you actually put this, like you make the coffee and you put it inside of this, and then you give yourself an enema. And it's supposed to, like, it detoxes you, cleanses you out, as well as your liver. It's so many health benefits that comes to actually doing, like, enemas, okay? So I cannot wait to make a video and share with y'all about that. The next thing that I got was, this was like, they call it a beauty cloth, okay? So this is basically, this really helps with exfoliating your skin as well, okay? So you could use it, like I use the Kojic Sand soap to exfoliate my skin. And you can use this towel with it. It really helps with it, just extra exfoliation, okay? So I picked this up. Y'all know I had to get some more MSM powder. If y'all have not seen my video about MSM, please make sure that you check it out. I will leave it in the description box below. MSM is a lifesaver. I actually stopped taking MSM for a while just because I was out of town and I was being lazy. And as soon as I stopped taking it, like I stopped taking it for about, it's been about 3 weeks now, because I did run out too. And then I went out of town and I got so used to not taking it and making my smoothies, and I stopped taking it. And I can really tell that my, like, since I've not been taking it, like, I just don't see the radiance in my skin anymore. So I swear by this. I'm going to keep taking it. That was just confirmation for me that I will never go without MSM. And I said that, but like I really mean it this time. I'm not going out without MSM. So I also had to pick up some vitamin C because I had ran low on this. So I decided to get 2 bottles. And this is the 1,000 milligrams of the vitamin C. And I'm going to start taking 2 of these a day, okay? Really get my vitamin C levels up. So I'm going to start taking like 2 of those a day. Y'all, excuse the lighting. I know it's horrible. It's like going in and out. I apologize. Another thing that I got was glutathione. I'm going to start back taking the glutathione. I also did a video a while back about not specifically on glutathione, but it was just the supplements that I was taking. But this is a really good antioxidant. This is really good for anti-aging. This is really good for liver detox. So yes, I've taken this before. So yeah, I'm gonna start back taking this. And it's really good. It really helps with your immune system as well. When you have a clean liver, you have a really healthy immune system. The next thing I picked up was this evening primrose oil. This is 1,000 milligrams. I heard that this is really good for anti-aging as well. It also helps regulate women hormones. So this is something else that I picked up, was this evening primrose. Sorry about the glare. Another thing that I picked up, and I will be doing a separate video on this as well, because this is all about your vaginal health, and this is boric acid. I heard that boric acid is really good to just detoxify your vagina, make her tighter, and you know, it really helps with like your pH balance, because anything can throw your pH balance off, okay? And especially like in the summertime, if you're going to the pools and you're wearing bikinis, even that can throw off your pH balance. So I'm gonna try this boric acid just to see how well it works, and of course I will give y'all my review. This is by More. That is the brand, okay? And you don't take these. This is not a supplement. You actually insert this into your vagina. So I got me some zinc. Zinc is really good for immune system, and it's also an antioxidant. So any type of antioxidants are really good with anti-aging, and it's never too early to start taking anti-aging supplements. Never too early, okay? In fact, the earlier the better. I wish I had knew all of this information when I was like, okay, 18, 19, okay? Because I'll still be looking like I'm like 21 right now if I was doing that. But it's okay, because you can still reverse aging. And that's something else that I want to talk about on my channel, and that is just reversing aging and just anti-aging and just all of those things, because I'm in my 30s now and I want to just look as good as possible, okay? And I know that comes with just like really taking care of yourself, okay? And I'm gonna share that with you ladies too, because I know y'all want to know. This is also a supplement that I got. Now you can actually take this, or you can actually make a face mask with it. And this is the Pearl Powder. I heard that Vera Wayne swears by this. And if y'all seen Vera Wayne lately, she looks really good. Even though I heard those pictures were photoshopped, she still looks good. She still looks good. I don't know if y'all seen those recent pictures, but people in the Asian culture also swear by this. And like, to me, Asian women, they age pretty well. So I was like, okay, I'll try it. But yeah, you can use this as like you can create a lotion and like a night cream with this powder, or you can actually take it as a supplement. So yeah, this is the Pearl Powder. So yeah, so that's my mini haul. That was it of my beauty products, and I hope that you ladies enjoyed. You saw something in it that you like. Again, I'm going to be doing some videos on the boric acid as well as the enema, just to let y'all ladies know some more information about that, because I believe that is really, really important. So again, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye, loves.